Okay, you had to look over my mess here on back of the truck, but I got this chainsaw and also have this Husqvarna here. This one tried to fire up, and then I took off the top plate here. See, I've done tighten it back down, but the bulb is dry rotted, so is the gas line. I've got new gas line. It's just a heck of a job to get it. It's tricky. It's not really so much it's a Husqvarna 137. It don't have the prime bulb. This is the one I give like $50 for, and I actually used it. It was my friend that used it last year. And this one, I'm wanting to say, right, let's see. I don't know if the camera's going to be able to. Right in there. Right. I have to take that breather off. You'll be able to see better. Right in there. Right where my finger's going. Right underneath. There we go. That is where the line's going to go. And then it will go down into the tank. And then, of course, I'll have to use some needle nose. I'm going to make a video doing it, but the best way to do it is to tie some like 10-pound test fishing line to the end of your gas line real good. Start it down through there and then pull it and feed it through. And let's see. And this is your line that will go right there. Now this, yeah, I want to say it might go down. No, that's a screw hole. I have to find where that goes down through, and then it's going to come out down here, of course, where you will put this on the end, and that is your fuel filter. I'm just outside tinkering with them right now. Wanted to clean off my truck, and this one I've got to go back and buy the primer bulb. I just didn't know which one for sure I had, so probably gonna put the line on this one and have it done because it's got a new plug and everything, and then going to clean it up and sharpen the chain and buy that piece tomorrow and do that. But I'm probably going to just do a video on each when I take it to my shop, so I can have it on the workbench and be able to see more. Hopefully have way better lighting and stuff. You'll have to excuse the mess. I've been hauling junk, and I always help people that's broke down, and I had a vehicle I had to go fix yesterday, so I've got batteries and everything. It's a mess, but thanks for watching, and there'll be another video coming up about the chainsaws on how to fix those, and some of probably the top 3 issues you'll have, and some tricks to when, if you're using your chainsaw, it's been running, you set it down 5 minutes, and then it won't crank back and floods easy. Just a few different tricks I've been taught over time. Let's see if I can't throw those in the video to help out. But thanks for watching. Any questions or opinions, greatly appreciated in the comment section. If you're ever looking to buy chainsaw or car parts or need something fabricated, I do all the above. So I'm located in southern Kentucky. Just hit me up. Thanks.